What is up guys, Tanner this side. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a free headless avatar in Roblox. First, head over to the Roblox website and then sign in with your Roblox account. And after that, you just need to click on the three dots and then click on avatar. After clicking on avatar, you will open the avatar section. From here, you need to click on the top search bar and then search for faceless head. And after searching for faceless head, you will see multiple faceless heads. So from here, you just need to click on any price and then select minimum and maximum and then put 00 in both minimum and maximum and then click on apply. And after that, this will show you all the free faceless heads. You can just simply add this one and you can also add the headless head. And after that, when you add all these, they will be available here in the cart. If you need to buy them, you need to wait for a reseller to resell it. As you can see, currently no one, there is no one to resell this item. So when someone will resell this faceless head, you can just simply buy it, and then you will be able to stick or fix it to your avatar. So this is how you can create a headless avatar in Roblox. That was all for the video, everyone. Thank you for watching.